To integrate Authorize NetCIM into your payment system, you need to understand the key concepts and follow a step-by-step approach. First, you should create an Authorize Net account and obtain an API login ID and transaction key, which are required for authentication. Next, you need to decide on the type of integration, either using the Authorize Net API or a third-party library. The API provides a more customized solution, while the library offers a simpler and faster integration. After deciding on the integration method, you should set up a CIM profile, which allows customers to save their payment information for future transactions. This involves creating a customer profile, payment profile, and shipping profile. When creating a customer profile, you need to provide basic customer information, such as name and email address. For the payment profile, you need to provide payment information, such as credit card details. The shipping profile requires shipping information, such as address and phone number. Once the CIM profile is set up, you can process transactions using the customer and payment profiles. You can also update and delete profiles as needed. It is essential to handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure a smooth transaction process. Best practices for Authorize NetCIM integration include using secure protocols, such as HTTPS, and encrypting sensitive customer information. You should also test your integration thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. In conclusion, integrating Authorize NetCIM requires a thorough understanding of the key concepts and a step-by-step approach. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a secure and efficient payment processing system.